Hello, everybody. Good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening, teacher.
Okay, happy Monday, everyone.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Hello.
Good morning, teacher. Jeremy.
Hello.
Wait, good evening, teacher Jeremy.
By the way, recording is already on progress. So allow teachers remain and TIS to record our session this afternoon, this evening. Okay. So while waiting for the others, okay, I'll be talking to some of you. How are you, Jennifer?
I'm good, teacher.
Okay, you feel great. How's the weather today in Indonesia? Is it raining?
No, it's
Teacher.
good.
Good
It's hot?
evening, teacher.
And a hot sunny day.
But it's sometimes also rain when it's a hot day.
Yes,
Oh,
but the rain is
but
like
today,
something funny. Like the rain only
about
lasts
today,
2 minutes or 10 minutes.
how about today? How's the weather today in Indonesia? Is it sunny?
Yes.
Because here in the Philippines, okay, because here in the Philippines, we are experiencing heavy rain, especially the northern part of the Philippines. And thankfully, the rain in our place, in our area, is not that strong. Okay. So, if I have understood it correctly, this week will be um, probably will be the last week for this semester, if according to Dr. Harry. Um, on Wednesday, teacher will be giving the final
Hello,
test.
teacher.
Hi, Queenie. Again, on Wednesday, I will be giving a test. Okay. So I hope all of you can come and answer the test on Wednesday. Okay? By the way, can you please tell me how's my voice? Am I lagging? Am I shaking or what?
Good, teacher.
Good. How about okay? I'll turn off first my video because I can't see clearly all your screens. Okay, so as of this time, we are 27 in here together with the NTT girls. Stephanie and Yan, hello. Sandra, Cindy and Sana, hello. Priska, hi girls.
Hello, teacher.
How are you girls?
Hello, teacher.
Hi Kiara and Trisha, Nesta and Ratty.
Hello, teacher. Good
Hello.
evening.
Good evening. No rain in your place? No rain?
Yes, teacher. In NTT, the rain has stopped. We're back to normal weather.
Okay, back to normal weather. Wow, that's good. Thank you, Nesta.
You're welcome,
Okay,
teacher.
very good. Jonathan is here. Jonathan. Tristan is here.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Mark is here. Mark is not around. Katrina, are you here? Letitia, are you here? Let me see. Oh yeah, Letitia is here. Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Hello. Cindy and Sana, hello.
Yes,
Um,
teacher.
Okay, hello.
Hello.
Okay, who can tell everybody what was our last lesson last Wednesday? What have we discussed last Wednesday?
Degrees of comparison.
Okay, yes, we were able to talk about degrees of comparison. And I have given you an activity wherein you're going to write down sentences, right? Okay, so I hope you will not forget about that activity because surely that will be one of the items on the test on Wednesday. Okay? For example, I have the word sweet. It will become sweeter, then it will become sweetest in the superlative form. So we can say the cake is sweet. The cupcake is sweeter than the cake. The chocolate is the sweetest of them all. Okay. So you will be you will be having an activity like that. Okay. Another topic that we discussed last Wednesday. Who can tell me? Or who can tell to the rest of the group? Anyone? Joy? Catherine? Enda?
This, that, those, this.
Yeah, very good. So we were able to talk about the different those pronouns, right? So that, this, these, and those. Okay. How about we refresh our minds and we will be answering this activity for a while. I'll need to look for it. Okay. Okay, I hope you have my screen now. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So,
Yes,
so the use of this and that, these and those. You have here these words inside the box. Okay, can I ask? Okay, how about I'll ask Jocelyn to read everything inside the box, Joy.
Okay, wait. This for something near, that for something far. This plural and near. Those plural and far.
Claudie, could you please read also, Claudie?
Yes, miss. This for something near, that for something far. This plural and near, those plural and far.
Okay, thank you. How about Greece? Could you please read also, Greece?
Okay, Miss. Would you please read? This one something
Some
near,
good.
that for something far.
These,
This plural or near, those,
those.
those plural and far.
Very good. Thank you, Greece.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, everyone, for this THIS, okay, you're going to use it for something near. Only one, singular, something near you. That for something far. Okay, it's far from you with only one, far from you. You use that. If it's near you, if it's many, that's what you mean by plural. You use these. If you refer to something many or plural that is far from you, you use the word those. Okay, so last meeting, there were images or pictures that help you give the answer. But this time, we just have here sentences, but you can read through the words or through the sentence what will be the correct answer. For example, you just have to understand the sentences for what it means. Okay, number one, blank, this, that, train over there is big. Train over there is big. Should we use this or should we use that to complete sentence number one? We are going to use
That.
okay, that is right. We are going to use that because you have here over there. Okay. Over there, that means that means far or near?
Far.
Okay, that
That.
means far. And you have the be verb is, which means only one. So far from you, only one, you use that. Okay. Is this the correct way of writing that?
Yes.
Alfonso, is this the correct way of writing that?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Okay, Alfonso said this is correct. Do you agree, kids?
I think that is false. Start with capital maybe.
Yeah, exactly, Enda. It should start with capital letter H. Why should it start with an H? Start in capital. Why should it start in capital letter?
Yeah.
Because
The
first
is
word in
the
there.
first word.
Come again, Enda.
Because that is first word in there in the sentence.
Okay, because what's the rule in grammar? The first word in a sentence should start in a capital letter. Okay, take note of that one, kids. You need to take note of that. So we say that train over there is big. Okay, get ready because I'll be calling um, girls and boys to answer the following sentences. Number two. Okay, I think Arga is ready for number two.
This. Number two, this.
Arga,
Yes, miss.
okay. Is my voice not clear, Arga?
Clear, miss.
Okay, number two, Arga.
Train over here is old. The answer is
Yes.
this.
Okay, could you please tell why are we going to use this?
Because the train is near.
Okay, what word in the sentence tells you that it's near?
Train.
What word in the sentence tells you that it's near? Is it train? What word in the sentence? It is?
Here.
Okay, good. The word here tells you that it is near. That's why we use this. Okay, so I want you to justify or tell your answer or tell why you answered that one. Okay, thank you, Arga. Number 3 now. Number 3.
You're welcome, Miss.
Franciscus, would you like to read and answer number 3?
Yes.
Okay.
This apple is good.
Okay, so you answered for a while. Again, Franciscus, what is your answer for sentence number 3?
This.
Okay, you are right. It should be this. Why should we use this?
I
Okay,
think
for
because
sentence.
it.
Oh, yeah. Continue, Franciscus.
I think because it near.
Okay, it is near, right? Okay,
Yes.
this and that are all singular. It refers to singular. Okay, but when you say this, meaning that is near you, near the one who's speaking. How about number 4? Can I still have you, Franciscus, for number 4?
I don't know the answer.
Okay. So you don't want to answer this, Franciscus?
No.
Okay. So I'll be moving to another kid so that okay, Joy, would you like to read and answer number 4, Joy?
Okay. I don't know if these oranges are sweet.
Okay. So when we say this, singular or plural?
Plural.
Plural. What word in the sentence tells you that you should use this?
I'm sorry, what?
What word in the sentence helps you or tells you that we should use this?
I'm not also sure about it, but I'm just picking this because I thought I don't know if. So I thought it was like near.
Oh, yes. Okay. And aside from that one, we are going to use this because we are talking about oranges, right? Although this
Yes.
and those are both plural. Okay. That's all right, Joy. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. How about number 5? Okay. Number 5. Before Tristan, number 5, please.
Okay, teacher. Blank, these or those are my favorite books. The answer is those.
Okay. You answered
Those.
those. Okay. Why are you going to use those in that sentence? In that sentence? Although in sentence number 5, you don't have the word here or over there, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So, for sentence number 5, you can use those if, can you please tell when are we going to use those, Tristan? If the boots are,
It is if the boots are far and
okay,
it's more than one.
okay. And when are we going to use this?
When it's near from us and it's more than one too.
But, okay, yeah, that's right. It's more than one. Okay, more than one pair of boots. Okay. Okay, so we will be considering that one because for sentence number 5, you don't have the word here and over there. Okay, thank you, Tristan. Okay.
You're welcome.
For numbers, okay, number 6. Okay, before teacher will continue, can I talk to Glory? Glory? Glory, hello. Okay. They went out. Okay. Okay, let's move now to sentence number 6. Okay. How about for number 6, you refer to a person that is far from you. Okay. For number 6, that is referring to a person that is far from you. Noelito,
Yes, teacher.
number 6,
Blank is the first one to arrive.
come again.
Blank is the first one to arrive.
Okay. How about if you refer to someone that is far from you? What will be your answer for number 6?
That
Okay. How about for number 7? Noel, still you? You refer to
people are
people.
new to the area.
Okay. If you refer to the people that are near you, it's near you, what are you going to say?
This
Okay, if it's near you, you use this. So these people are new to the area. Okay, but if you refer to a group of people that is far from you, referring to another table or from another class, you say those people are new to the area. Okay, for number 8. Okay, for number 8. Okay, Nayaka. Hello,
Yes.
Nayaka. Okay, number 8, please.
Okay. Can you pass blank this or those sheets around?
Okay.
The answer is
Okay. You take this one as your hint. The papers are far from you. What are you going to say? Or what are you going to use? The papers are far from you.
those.
Okay. If it's far from you, we are going to use those. Oh, okay. Nayaka, please continue to number 10.
Okay. Blank this or that place is taken already.
Okay, referring to the place where you are now. What will you say? Or what are you going to use?
This.
Okay. Are you going to say this or that place is taken already?
Uh, this place is taken already.
Okay. So we say this place is taken already.
Already.
Okay. Thank you, Nayaka.
You're welcome, miss.
Okay, let's have, okay, before we move, how about a reading activity for number 1 to number 5? Hopefully, you know what? I cannot see your faces now. Oh, although I have closed my video. It's okay. Okay? Can I have Queenie first to read 1 to 5? Queenie.
yes. That train over there is big. This train over here is old. This apple is good. I don't know if these oranges are sweet. Those are my favorite boots.
Check
Okay, thank you,
number
Queen.
8.
You're welcome.
Okay. Honey, 1 to 5 again, please. Honey. Okay. The connection is not good. Okay, how about if I have Jennifer? Hello, Jennifer.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, please read number 1 to 5.
Okay, teacher. Number 1. That train over there is big. Number 2. This train over here is old. Number 3. This apple is good. Number 4. I don't know if these orange are sweet. Number 5. Those are my favorite boots.
Okay, Jennifer, you say oranges.
Oranges.
Oranges. Boots.
Oranges.
Boots.
Boots.
Okay, thank you, Jennifer.
Welcome to chat.
Let's move now to the next part, 6 to 10. Okay, can I have? Okay, I'll go now to entity kids. Can I first have? Okay, Naya, Keddy, and Greed. Naya, Keddy, and Greed. Hello.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, just read number 6 to 10. Okay.
Number 6. That is the first one to arrive.
Next.
Number 7. These people are new to the area.
Okay, continue.
To the area.
Okay. Hello. Okay. Can I have Deborah now for 6 to 10? Deborah.
Okay. Number 6. That is the first one to arrive. Number 7. These people are new to the area. Number 8. Can you pass blank 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 seats around? Number 9. Those are the pencils. Number Number 10. This place is taken already.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, teacher.
Okay. Wow. So on my screen, we are already 34. Um, Glory. Hello, Glory.
Yes, teacher.
Where's Jonathan, Glory? Okay. He has schoolwork to do. It's okay. Glory, how are you related to Catherine? Why do you share the same screen? Do you live in one house?
No, teacher.
How are you really? Okay, never mind. Maybe maybe I can ask Jonathan about that one next time. Okay? So wow, we are 35 now in class. Mark is here. Hello, Mark.
Yes, Miss Jermaine.
Okay, hello. Wow, we also have boys from entity. We have Rafli. Hello, Rafli. Is that the correct way of saying your name? Joy. How's my voice, Joy? Am I logging?
No, your voice is doing.
Okay,
Yeah,
good.
your voice is
Thank you,
still
Joy.
on.
Thank you, Alfonso. Okay. But teacher needs to turn off the video because I've noticed once I'm opening my video, I can't see all your faces. Maybe I have to close and open it from time to time. So I'll be sharing now the blue book because we will be continuing, and let us finish the blue book now, chapter 1, so that on Wednesday, we will be having, or I'll be giving you your test. Alfonso, will you be around on Wednesday, or you have a church? You need to go to church on Wednesday, right?
Of course.
Teacher,
Yes, Glory.
my brother.
Yes.
My brother is
It's what?
It's okay, Glory. Mhm. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Okay. I want you to look at rule number 4. Okay. Look at rule number 4. Okay. Honey, if you can hear me now.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I was calling your name a while ago. Maybe for some reasons you were not able to respond. Rule number 4, please read. Honey.
Between refers to two. Among is used to for three or more. Examples: divide the candy between the two of you. Divide the candy among the three of you.
Okay. Okay. Um I would also like to ask Orlando to read rule number 4. Orlando. Yes. Please read rule number 4, Orlando.
Rule number 4. Written refers to two. Among is used for three or more. Example: divide the candy between the two of you. Divide the candy among the three of you.
Okay. When are we going to use the word between? When are we going to use the word between?
Because there is. Oh, no.
When are we going to use the word between? If your choices refers to two, okay? If you have two choices, you use between. But how about you have 3 or more choices? What are you going to use?
Among.
Okay. We will use the word among. Okay. Maybe, okay. Maybe between and among is very easy for you because we have discussed that one. Am I sharing my screen now? Have I changed it already? Not yet?
Teacher.
Okay, not yet. Okay, let's have sentence number one. It's between and among. Okay. When are we going to use between? If you have two choices. Among, when you have three or more. Take note of that one. Okay. How about sentence number one? Catherine, would you like to give a try?
Okay, teacher. Paul, Seth, blank, Alex, and Hugo.
Yes.
The answer is between.
Okay, for sentence number one, the correct answer is
Between.
okay, why are we going to use between, Catherine? Why are we going to use between? It's because you have here two names being mentioned, Alex and Hugo. So Paul sat between Alex and Hugo. So in the seating arrangement, you have Alex, Paul is in between, then you have Hugo. Okay, how about sentence number two? Alfonso, please.
Okay, teacher. I see no difference blank A and B. The
Yes.
answer is between.
Why is it between?
Because the choice is only two.
Okay, so you have A and B. Continue to number three, Alfonso.
Okay. My ring fell blank the flowers. The answer is
Yes.
among.
Okay, you're right. Why among now?
Because flowers is so many,
Plural.
and it's more than two.
Okay. Okay. When you say flowers, that's plural, that's many. So that's why you're going to use the word among. Okay, give me 2 minutes or 1 minute to type down the sentences. Okay. Then while teacher is typing, I want you to read it so that if I'm going to ask you to read an answer, you can answer, okay? Okay, there you have it. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We still have, we still have 5 sentences to answer. Okay, you choose between among and between. Number 4. Okay, number 4. Honey, number 4, please.
Me, teacher.
Number 4.
A river runs between two states. It is among
A river
run
runs blank 2 states. Okay, you already have the word two. So is it between or among?
among.
Should we use among for number 4? If you
Is
have 2, okay, thank you for that try, honey. Thank you. Okay, listen everyone. You use between if you have 2, right? 2 choices or there's 2 being mentioned. If you're going to use among 3 or more or it's plural. So what are we going to use for this? Catherine, should we use, okay, not Catherine, okay. Not Catherine. Francisco's, are we going to use among for number 4 to make it complete?
I think between.
Yes. Why between, Francisco's?
Because it compare to state.
Okay, because it states there that you have 2 states. So a river runs between 2 states. Okay, you already have the word 2. So that is already a word clue. So you are going to use between. Okay, number 5. Erin, number 5, please.
Yes, miss. You'll be safe here, blank your friends.
Yes.
The answer is among.
You're right, Erin. Among is the correct answer. Because what do you think? What do you think is the reason?
Because France is more than
It's okay. Although friends is, it's more than one, but when you say friends, that's many, right?
yes.
Okay. Okay, that's good. Thank you, Erin.
Welcome.
Okay, let's move to number 6. Okay, let's move to number 6. Mark, hopefully you're still here, Mark. Oh yes, Mark is here. Mark,
Yes, Mr. Main.
how are you?
I'm good now.
You feel great now. Why? What happened to you the past days?
The past days, hmm, uh,
Mm-hmm.
yesterday and 2 days ago, I was sick.
Wow. But you're feeling great now.
Yes, just a little bit cough.
You okay. Maybe it's because of the changing weather also.
Maybe.
Maybe. Can you answer number 6, Mark?
Okay. I was a stranger, blank. The guests. Among.
Okay. We use the word among. Okay,
Among.
because yes, when you say guess, that's already plural. Number 7, still you, Mark.
Hmm. He. Wait, okay. He parked his motorcycle, blank. 2 cars. Between.
Yes. Okay. Why between, Mark?
Because he parked his motorcycle between two cars. Two cars,
Uh,
not more.
yes. Okay, it is stated in the sentence two cars. Okay, when you say two, when you have two, you're going to use between. Thank you, Mark.
You're welcome.
Okay. Number 8, Letitia, are you ready, Letitia?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, number 8, please.
A spy was blind those listening.
Yes.
The answer is
A spy was between those listening. Mm-hmm. Are there um are there two people or two choices being mentioned? Okay. For number 8, the correct answer is okay, for number 8, the correct answer is among. So a spy was among those listening. For number 9, can I have Nesta number 9? But please allow me to finish it first. Nesta, Nesta and Rati.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, number 9, ready for number 9?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Korea is between China and Japan.
Okay, that's right. It is between China and Japan. Could you please
And
read it
Japan.
again? Read it again, Nasta.
Korea is between China and Japan.
Very good. Can I ask you number 1 to number 4, Nesta? Please read.
Okay, teacher. Number 1, Paul sat between Alex and Hugo. Number 2, I see no difference between A and B. Number 3, my ring fell among the flowers. Number 4, a river runs between two states.
Very good. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Nesta.
You're welcome, teacher.
Can I also ask, okay, can I have Trisha and Tiara? Trisha and Tiara, hello.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, can I ask you girls to read start reading from number 5 to number 7, okay?
Number 5. You'll be safe here among your friends. Number 6. I was a stranger among the ghouls. Number 7. He parked his motorcycle between two cars.
Continue, number 8 and 10.
Number 8.
A spy.
A spy was among just listening.
Continue.
Number 9. Korea is between China and Japan.
Very good. Thank you, girls.
You're welcome, teacher.
Okay, so please, everyone, take note about the use of among and between okay. You take note when to use between and when to use among. Okay. Last. Okay, last lesson. I want you to look and focus on rule number 5. Okay, rule number 5. So in rule number 5, you have it here. Okay, rule number 5. Okay, the difference between into, you look at the spelling into I-N-T-O. Again, you have into I-N-T-O. And the word in, which is I-N. If you say into, you use into if it implies entrance. If you're going to go inside, okay, an entrance. Okay, that's the time you say into. But how about in? In does not mean entrance. In means inside. Okay? So you have here examples. The first one. Sophia walked into the house. Okay, Sophia walked into the house. Okay, so Sophia is making an entrance in the house. Okay, this is different when you say Sophia was waiting in the house. When you say in the house, Sophia was inside the house. Okay? Sophia is already inside the house. If you say into, you're going to enter. Oh, you're going to enter the house. Another example. Miriam came in to see me today. So in is part of the verb phrase came in, while to is part of to see. Okay, you have to see and came in. Okay, so for you to understand more about these two, okay, how about that? Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay, so we will be using the definition from the Google when the difference between into and in. Catherine, could you please read everything, Catherine? But my
Sure.
screen, can you just read what's on my screen, Catherine?
Yes,
Because
teacher.
it's kinda small. Okay, go, Catherine.
Use into one word for movement from outside to inside or a change of state. Like she walked into the room or the caterpillar turned into a butterfly. Use
Okay.
into the words when the words appear together by change with in acting as an adverb and to as a preposition. Often with verbs like in, he came in to talk or she gave into her first.
Okay, thank you, Catherine.
You're welcome, teacher.
Okay, so what, Catherine? Okay, wow, it's big now. Okay, what Catherine was reading to us is about, how do you, for a while. Okay, so you have their examples, okay, or the description or an explanation when to use into. Okay, into, that's one word already, just one word. If you are from the outside, then you're going inside. That's what you mean by into. While in, you are already inside. Okay, the act of being inside. So we have here examples. Okay, a movement from outside to inside. You say, Arga, read these two examples, Arga.
Okay, Miss. She stepped into the house. He poured milk into the glass.
Okay, stepped into, went inside the house. Second, he poured milk into the glass. Okay, putting milk into the glass. Okay, so you also have when there is a change of state or transformation. So the example is the caterpillar morphed into a butterfly, okay, or change or developed into a butterfly. Another, she turned into a great leader. Okay, so that's okay. So that's another example of into and in. Okay. So before we end, I'll be I'll be giving you an example. Okay, I'll stop sharing first. Then teacher will be using the chat box. Please wait for my sentence. Okay. So I hope you have my sentence now. Alfonso, can you please read it to everyone? Alfonso,
Huh? Okay.
please check my message in the chat box.
Okay. Philip went blank his room and shut the door behind him.
Mm-hmm.
The answer is into.
Okay, because from the outside, going into his room. Okay, go or making an entrance or make to enter his room. So we say Philip went into his room and shut the door behind him.
Okay.
How about the next one? Alfonso, please read.
Okay. The cat is blank the box. The answer is in.
Okay, which means the cat is inside the box, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. So if you check your time, it's already time, right? So on Wednesday, I hope you will be you can you all of you will be prepared that on that day. You will teacher hopes that you will study or have a review with our lessons, okay, and get ready for the test on Wednesday. The study on adjectives, study on verbs, okay, study on adverbs, and including the word in and into, among and between. Yes, what's with those faces? Honey, is it okay? Are you okay?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So what is teacher trying to say on Wednesday? I'll be giving you a test. Okay? And teacher ask you to get ready for it. Okay? So this ends now our discussion. I will be seeing you hopefully on Wednesday for the test. Thank you for everybody for joining me today. Have a good day. Enjoy the rest of the night. Thank you, kids. Thank you, boys. Thank you, everyone.
Teacher.
Teacher.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, NTT
Thank you,
girls. Thank
teacher.
you. Yes, thank you.
Thank you, teacher.
See you. Dr. Harry, hello, sir. Girls, Dr. Harry is here.
Teacher, for the
Girls,
NTT
Sir
student.
Harry.
Okay,
Oh, yeah.
yes.
The NTT girls are here, sir.
Yeah, so this is what we planned for the NTT. Okay, they are now still on the screen. Okay, so you guys, okay, have to work hard. Okay, Cindy, okay, and Tiara, right? And then who else? Priska, open cam. Okay, this is what we try to do, teacher Jermaine. Okay, in the area, they do not have a hospital. Okay, not only a small clinic. So they have to go to the big city. Okay, like they have to go to maybe a smaller city like Manila. Okay, Manila or some bigger island. Okay, to get cure. So this is what we plan to do. All right, they are taking chemistry like Sandra, okay, Cindy, and Tiara. All right. So what we are going to do, we will give them a scholarship because some of them really want to be a doctor, okay? And also the nurse, right? So we will recruit them and send them and support them to go to a university, okay, and taking medical, to go to basically medical school, okay? Yeah. So they can come back after graduated, become a doctor, they can come back to this area. We call it Patang, all right? And then we, the TIS, is going to open a clinic, okay? A clinic, the first step to open a hospital, yeah? So let me speak in Indonesia, teacher, but that's basically what it is. Okay, selamat malam Priska, Sandra, okay, and Cindy. Sudah dengar tadi? Guru-guru sudah kasih tahu kah? Waktu apel. Sandra omong, Sandra omong. Iya. Waktu apel tadi jam 7 sudah dikasih tahu. Sudah, omong-omong terus Sandra. Sandra omong. Atau yang lain omong-omong. Harus.
Ya, beritahu sama
Tadi sudah
guru
dikasih
tadi.
tahu sama Pater. Sama Romo, belum. Sama Ibu Leo. Guru bahasa guru kimia sudah kasih tahu tadi enggak?
Ibu Filo dengan Ibu Elat saja tadi, Mister.
Ya. Nah,
Hanya Ibu Filo dengan Miss Ella tadi. Ella, karena Romo hari ini Mister tidak ada. Mungkin di Labuan, Mister.
ya.
Di Labuan
Jadi
Bajo Romo hari ini, Mister.
Ya, kalian harus bikin esai, karangan. Ya, kasih tahu. Coba lihat di grup. Di grup sudah ditulis kan? Kenapa mau jadi dokter? Dokter apa?
Iya,
Ya.
Mister, udah lihat tadi.
Itu harus cepat ditulis. Karena tanggal 30 kita mau dokter umum atau internis. Kemudian yang kedua, dokter mata, ya, dokter gigi, perawat. Jadi ada 7 kalian yang nilainya bagus di kimia ya. Semuanya perempuan, mahasiswi. Karena cowok-cowok biasanya malas. Biarkan saja. Kalian harus maju ya. Nah, kemudian kalian tanya, dari mana uangnya? Itu kalian kemarin tanam porang tidak? Ikut tanam porang. Hari Sabtu, Priska ikut. Tidak ikut ya?
Iya,
Ikut kemarin.
Iya. Nah, jadi dari situ uang kita, uang beasiswa, ayo. Ya. Jadi harus satu. Ya. Ya, Cindy, satu itu harus rajin sekolahnya. Kimia, biologi, matematika, bahasa Inggris. Ya, 4. Nah, kemudian kalian harus bantu itu porang, ya, itu harus dibantu Romo untuk bersihkan nanti, bersihkan gulma nanti, banyak rupa-rupa liar, ya, itu dibersihkan yuk, Cindy, ya, harus bantu, ya, ya. Jadi dari sekarang kalian harus persiapkan, ya, untuk masuk ke Fakultas Kedokteran atau Perawatan di Jawa, ya, UI, UGM, atau di Surabaya, Surabaya lebih dekat. Ya, sekarang sudah ada penelusuran minat kan? Ya, Romo sudah bilang sekarang sudah ada penelusuran minat masuk ke universitas, betul tidak? Romo sudah bilang kah? Ya. Nah, jadi sekarang harus mulai kerja keras. Kasih tahu harus cepat bikin itu. Bikin karangan, yo. Harus cepat. So basically, Teacher Jermaine, we require them to write an essay. They can write it in Indonesian or English. Alright? Ya, jadi tidak menutup kemungkinan kalau kalian lulus dokter di Indonesia bisa pergi lagi ke Amerika, ya, untuk ambil spesialisasi. Tapi harus kembali ke Pateng. Kenapa di Pateng? Nah, coba kalian lihat, ya. Ya, sekarang gini, ya. Sekarang gini ya. Ini bukti ya, bukti. Cindy, coba kamu lihat papa kamu giginya bagus atau tidak? Cindy. Mana si Cindy? Sandra. Coba kamu lihat.
Iya, Mister.
Ya, lihat papa kamu. Papa. Giginya masih bagus atau masih lengkap tidak? Giginya papa. Gigi papa. Ya, gigi orang tua di rumah. Sudah banyak putus ya. Betul kan?
Iya, Mister.
Ya.
Saya punya yang masih
Artinya apa? Karena mereka tidak dirawat giginya. Nanti masing-masing pulang ke rumah minta, Mak,
Saya punya
Mama,
yang
coba
sudah
lihat gigi.
sama saya punya.
Jadi kita perlu dokter gigi. Ya, kita perlu dokter gigi. Ya. Kemudian banyak juga yang sakit paru-paru, sakit jantung. Banyak yang sudah meninggal, didoro. Ya kan, Rego, pacar. Ya
Iya,
kan?
Mister. Dengan
Otak.
kegagalan pasca persalinan juga.
Ya. Baik, kalian yang menjadi dokter masa depan, yo. Harus rajin, yo. Ya.
Ya,
Nah,
Mister.
jadi harus rajin, ya. Okay, Teacher Jermaine. So basically, selamat malam ya. Selamat malam. So basically what, I told them, I say, look at their parents. Their parents will very rare. They still have a good teeth. Most of them, their teeth has been gone. All right. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So some of them, they have a problem with the reading. They don't have the glasses to read. Okay. Because they don't have the eye doctor. They don't have the dentist. All right. So kita minta Teacher Jermaine, we ask Teacher Jermaine to help you. Okay. To shape you guys up. All right. If necessary, you guys can go to UP, University of the Philippines, to get the medical school over there. And Teacher Jermaine will help you. Okay. Where to go from Manila to go to UP. Is the UP close to the Manila?
Yes, sir. It's in Luzon, sir.
Luzon area.
Well, my
Okay, good.
place, we are from the Visayas, sir.
Oh, Visayas.
Visayas.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please help them. So, Teacher Jermaine, TIS is not just, okay, like another course, okay? But
Yes,
we
sir.
have a plan, a bigger plan for humanity. So please help all these kids, especially in this area, the entity. Okay?
Yes,
Baik kalau
sir.
gitu ya. Oke. Selamat malam, yo. Belajar lagi ya. Ya. Okay, Teacher Jermaine, I think I'll let you go. It's already like 12 o'clock. 12 minutes
It's
past.
okay.
Okay?
It's
All
okay,
right.
sir. Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, thank you guys. Goodbye.
Girls, thank you. NTT girls and boys, thank you. Have a good day. Have a good night. Thank you, sir. Have a good day, sir.
Okay, thank
Yes,
you.
teacher.
Thank you, Miss